Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to export video from CapCut to Instagram Reels. What you need to do. But before that, if you find this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, how to export video from CapCut to Instagram Reels. When you are here in CapCut in your project, just add the clip to the timeline by clicking the plus icon. And this is dimension is not the right dimension for the Instagram Reels. What you need to do, just click ratio and then change it to 9:16. And after that, just increase the scale. And then just click export. And here you can just give a name, for example, Instagram Reels. And export to, I select desktop, but if you don't want to export to desktop, just you can click on it and then select where you want to export to, for example, print or download or video. And here resolution is the same, codec here is the same, format MP4, yeah, here everything is the same. And be sure audio is you check audio. After that, click export. And here you get information about the video name Instagram Reels, duration 22 seconds, and the size of the video, resolution, the format MP4, yeah, the process is completed. And you see here the video Instagram Reels MP4, and then just go to Instagram and upload the video. Yeah, this is what you need to do if you want to know how to export video from CapCut to Instagram Reels. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.